Okay, so to make it your own little toy, what you need is some tape, a balloon, well, two balloons, but I don't have one, and a marker, and some
twisty ties.
Twisty ties. Okay, so to make them, first you blow up the balloon, you tie it like this. So you put it between your feet, then you put your two fingers, open one, then just push it right through that little hatch. Kind of tricky, but you'll soon get it. And there you have its nose. And I kind of made a little mouth for the cat. So what you do is the twisty ties, you get a piece of tape, and you take the twisty tie, put the tape on the twisty tie, put it on the back of it for a tail. Then you make it wobbly for that. There's the cat's tail. And what you do is and then you just take the marker and draw its face like this. There you go. And then you have a cat. I kind of did my own mouse too. Alright, and that's how you make a balloon, your own toy mouse. And that's how you make your own cat. The same with the mouse, but it's a mouse.